Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of I Bought a Watch. Another episode. Today we've got a rather cool unboxing, a rather unusual watch. I hope some of you are going to like it. And it is from Steel Dive. Now I haven't seen this watch reviewed or unboxed on YouTube yet. Yeah, let me know. Please give this video a like and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. I have actually got this strap here that I think is going to go perfectly well with this watch. This is a strap from Artem, as you can see by that lovely logo here. Lovely sale cost strap. If you're interested, I'll leave a link up to that video up there. And of course, if you want to pick up this watch at any point in the video, I will leave an affiliate link down below. That basically means I get a little bit of commission as a finder's fee at no extra cost to you guys, and it really helps me continue making videos for you guys. But without any further ado, let's get into this box. So as you can already see, this is made by Steel Dive. I haven't actually got any Steel Dives in the collection as of yet, but I did order one as a subscriber giveaway for 1,000 subscribers, I do believe, and it was a turtle homage, and I was incredibly impressed with that one. Also incredibly impressed with the loom. It did come with a fully loomed bezel. Now this watch here comes in the pretty standard Steel Dive case. Does also feature a loomed bezel, but no spoilers. Let me get in here. So you got the padding there, little spongy padding. Ooh, and it does come, appears, with an additional rubber strap. So there you go, a spring bar removal tool, and yeah, a rubber strap with some spring bars. Steel Dive instructions. I'm not going to open that. I'm sure that's just pretty standard book of words, and an international warranty card. I wonder if that's unique to this watch or if they all have that number. If you have ordered a Steel Dive, go check and comment down below. Let me know if this is a same reference number. And here's the watch. No prizes for guessing what this is a homage of, and it is of course the Omega PloProf, the newer version, the 1200 meters, and as you can see, Steel Dive is also advertising that this similarly has 1200 meters of water resistance. I'll have to let you know in the full review once I give some opportunity to test this one swimming. It also comes on this lovely shark mesh bracelet. I've never actually come across a shark mesh bracelet before. It's lovely and thick, and it feels lovely, quite flexible, so I think it might be quite comfortable on the wrist, although I am slightly worried. As you can see, it does compress a little bit, and I feel like that's going to pinch all the hairs on my rather hairy wrists. Clasp, I'm not too impressed by. It's got just a normal pressed clasp. That's unfortunate. I wonder if I could get a secondary clasp, but it does at least have some levels of micro adjust. Now, resizing a shark mess, I do believe I will actually have to physically go in and cut these links, because they are made from a piece of wire that's kind of been wound up through. So actually, to resize this one, you have to actually make a permanent change. It's such a stunning looking watch. See that massive sword paddle minute hand and the small hour hand. You've got Steel Dive automatic and some quite prominent loomed markers. It's also got a nicely ceramic bezel. Quite a thick watch. I believe the original is about 15 mil thick. I imagine this isn't quite far off. Got a crown, screw down crown, and screw this. And it does have this protector that comes loose with it, but doesn't come off. I think inside is this Seiko NH35, so it does obviously have hand winding, hacking, and that date complication. Oh, lovely color matched date wheel as well. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this one. Now, what I love about this watch, obviously, it's going to be a bit of a Marmite watch. It's kind of all over the place. It's massive. Just for reference, the Felida Explorer homage. Now this is 40 mil, and this is, I have no idea what this is. That's quite a hefty. But as you can see, the lug to lug is actually quite thin. In fact, I believe with these male end links, the Felida probably pips it on actual lug to lug length. So actually this one might be more small wrist friendly. Obviously it's going to weigh an absolute ton. Moving on to the case back, we have a screw down case back, obviously, if it does support anywhere near that 1200 meters. Steel dive, obviously lovely etched, automatic. Oh yeah, there you go. Seiko NH, oh it doesn't say Seiko, but NH35 movement. Now, I've held off because this does include a, as you can see, oh, there's a little bit of wobble. Not like, it probably looks worse on camera. It's tiny, but it does feel secure, and obviously it's not moving by more than a minute, but it is locked in both directions, and that is because if you push this pusher down here, you can, oh, like that, and it's bi-directional. Don't know how many clicks. Gonna have to check that. And alignment, pretty good. Yeah, no, I like that. Yeah, very impressed with that. Now, yeah, so it does have that pusher to alter the bezel, and it does also have a helium escape valve here. Finishing, it's all brushed, obviously, with that high polished edge. Yeah, I'm really liking this one. It's not going to be for everyone. As you can see, big boy on the wrist. I think this is going to be, you know, it's this conversation piece. It's obviously not versatile at all, and it's only going to have very limited use, but it's definitely an interesting one, and definitely one that, you know, I'm going to enjoy wearing from time to time. Let's quickly do a jump cut, and I'll pop it on this arm strap, because I think that, you know, brushed and high polished chamfered edge is going to work perfectly with the similar finishing on this Artem strap. And there you have it. Look at that. Now that, I love how the strap kind of disappears into the case. That's a better look at the back there, but I think that's awesome. Yeah, this is an awesome pairing. And like I said, that case finishing with the high polished beveled edge matches perfectly with this strap. Let me pop this one on the wrist. And actually it feels like it reduces the size somewhat. I mean, it's still hefty. It feels, especially on this strap, it feels like a piece of diving equipment, really. Yeah, a really cool one. Well, anyway, I've talked long enough about this. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this one. I'll try and get the review out for you guys as soon as possible. In the meantime, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye!